Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. I hope you're having a great day today. And I had a little vision, an idea. The GCI Turf brand is kind of making its way out into the byways and highways, and we're kind of growing as a company nationally. It's starting to grow really, really good. And I had this vision, or this idea, to have a GCI Turf lawnmower. This mower is not for everybody. If you click on the link in the description below and you look at the price and you're like, holy cow, that's an expensive lawnmower. Well, this mower isn't for you. Massport makes the thing. And I have personal experience with Massport. You've seen me use one out here multiple times. My guys have used Massports for years at the shop in our commercial mowing and that kind of thing. I think we've got like 6 of them, and they're a good mower. They're built like an army tank. They tend to last. The one I've been using out here has been absolutely phenomenal. This mower Massport makes is called a roller. It uses a drum in the back of the mower that propels the unit, and it's a rotary mower. It's 21 inches wide, just like any other standard push mower. It basically functions like any push mower on the market. You pull the lever back to engage the blades, and then it has a back lever on the handlebars. And when you engage that, that will propel the mower forward. It does not have gears on it, and if you feather the bar and you just barely push it, you're going to go slow. If you squeeze the bar fully and depress it completely, you're going to go a little bit faster. It does not have the feature to where the mower can be running and the blades are off. When you crank the mower, the blades are turning. If you look across the screen right here, you'll see the range of the height of cut. That is the only issue I have with the mower, is it only cuts so high. So those of you that have tall fescue that like to cut up around 3.5, 4 inches, this is not for you. It does cut fairly low. So those of you that cut bluegrass short or cut fescue shorter than typical, or even Bermuda grass, this would be a good mower for that. It stripes up really good. I had an area over here on the side of my yard that I've intentionally just let it go in preparing to make this video. I went out here today and done some mowing with the Rotorola. Actually, I waited and let the leaves fall so I could see the suction capability on bagging the leaves. I had no issues whatsoever. It cuts and vacuums and cleans the yard just like any other mower would. So basically, it's just like any other commercial grade push mower or self-propelled 21-inch mower, but it has the roller on the back so that it actually lays down and creates the stripe at the same time that you're mowing. Say shipping is built in with this. I was able to work out free shipping with the company that ships them for them. We don't actually ship them ourselves. If this is something you're interested in, I really, really need you to read the product description. Okay, it has to do with the shipping on this. This isn't typical shipping where it's a small package and they set it on your front porch. There's step-by-step details that you have to follow in order for this to happen. If this is something you move forward with, know that there's going to be some communication between us and you. It has to do with the shipping, getting all that set up. And the only reason we do that is so we dot all our I's and cross all our T's so that we're sure that you get the mower. So again, please read the description on the mower, because the details about the actual mower itself and how we have to ship it is in that description. You must read that. Don't just go to the website and jump on there and buy one if it's something you want. Please take the time to read it, because there are details on the shipping on how it must happen, step 1, 2, 3, and 4, so that you get the mower in a smooth and timely fashion. So as we do more mowing back here, you're obviously going to see that mower in action quite a bit. Say, as always, I appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch. I'll check you later.